Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive guide on how to archive a broadcast from your chats in WhatsApp. Archiving a broadcast allows you to keep your chat list organized by moving specific broadcasts into a separate archived section, while still retaining access to them whenever needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device. Locate the WhatsApp app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once inside WhatsApp, navigate to the Sent tab. This tab contains all the broadcasts you have sent to multiple contacts. Step 3. Find the specific broadcast you want to archive. To do this, simply scroll through the list or use the search function to locate the desired broadcast. Step 4. Tap and hold on the broadcast to select it. As you do this, you will notice a selection box appearing next to the broadcast. Once selected, additional options will become available. Step 5. Look for the box icon located at the top of the screen. This icon represents the archive function in WhatsApp. Tap on it to archive the selected broadcast. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to archive a broadcast from your chats in WhatsApp. By archiving broadcasts, you can keep your main chat list clutter-free, while still having the ability to access and review them whenever necessary. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.